To fix login error in Shudder. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of problem with the logins. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your internet connection. You should be able to log in into your account. Go to your browser. And here at the search bar, you want to type in Shudder. Click on search and simply tap on the website. By tapping on the website, you should see a login page similar like this. And here you want to type in your email and password and click on create your free account to open your account. This is how you log in through the website. And if you're having any problems on the application, you can simply uninstall the application and install the app again. And if that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further issues, make sure to leave a comment down below.